How to overcome sales objections. The toughest aspect of any sales position is overcoming sales objections. Whether you offer a service or are a small retail business, today's buyers are more discerning than ever. As many experienced salespeople know, most sales calls are met with at least one objection. Let's help you figure out how to handle the most common sales objections and help you close each call. It's too expensive. Demonstrate the unique value of your product and give specific examples of how the product will help solve a problem for the customer. I need to consult with my spouse. Look at this objection as an opportunity to get other decision makers in the room. Identify any underlying concern and address that specific issue. I'm happy with my current setup. If you can, bring up examples or case studies about their competitors who have made some recent changes similar to the one you are suggesting. I need to think about it. Ask what it is specifically your customer needs to think about and address the issue immediately. I'm too busy right now. Simplify the buying process in some way and give them attractive terms that are only available in a specific window of time. The faster you connect to your customers after their sales inquiry, the less objections you'd have to handle. Try the Connect Now lead routing system and talk to your potential clients the moment they want to buy from you.